That's how you cook a monster burger, Elite Barbecue Smoker style. Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers. As you can see right here, we got the smoke going on. We've got Recteq 380. It's already getting up to temperature. We cook at 450 degrees. Today, we're making burgers. We're gonna make them monster burgers, Elite Barbecue Smoker style. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. Show you what we got. So the recipe I'll share with you today is a fan favorite. Everybody loves them. Everybody gets together to cook them, and it's something that we all cook. We're doing burgers. But we're going to do burgers Elite Barbecue Smoker style today. So I got prime rib steak burgers, I got tomatoes, I got lettuce, I got portobello mushrooms, I got red onions, butter, bacon, some sausage, and brioche buns. Some Recteq 380, like I said, we cook at 450 degrees. The pellet blend we're going to use today is half of the Royal Oak 100% charcoal pellet, and the other half is Recteq Ultimate Blend. So but let's get the burger started, and let's get to cooking. Well, I got that cooking. I'm gonna start prepping my hamburgers. So my meat we're using today, like I said, it's 100% prime rib steak burgers. We've got these local grocery store already made in patties, and I kind of like that. It makes it a little simpler. So I'm gonna use butchered barbecue steak and brisket rub. We'll go to the top of that, it's Rufus Teague steak rub. Add them down, flip them over to both sides. And as soon as our burgers get a little bit closer, we'll add cheese to it. And the cheese we're doing today is some pepper jack cheese. So stick around, we'll be right back. So now, as you've seen right here, we're taking our hamburgers, our sausage, our portobello mushrooms, and our bacon. We cooked Recteq 380. We got it off right here, kind of rested. Now we'll start assembling our burgers. This is where we're going to add our vegetables to make it healthy. Now that goes. First thing first is, make sure I got the bottom. Mess that up one time. So here, put a little bit of mayonnaise on it. And I like to use a spoon, and my wife here gives me the devil about that. If you want to use a knife, go for it. There's nothing wrong with it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with a spoon. Isn't that right, Michelle? Michelle, isn't that right? She's there looking at me right now, just laughing. I just like a spoon. Sorry. So now we got our mayonnaise on our hamburger bun. Start putting my lettuce on here and my other vegetables. Iceberg lettuce. You gotta make it look healthy. Now I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna take a tomato, take a little bit of this steak rub, just a hair. Now I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna take my sausage, a couple pieces of portobello mushrooms, a little bit of red onions, take my burgers. We'll slice these bad boys up and see what they taste like. So let's get to slicing. Because this bad boy is so big, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna push it down. Smash it down pretty good. Still mighty big, but at least we smash it down a little bit. I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna go right down the middle of it. See it right here, got a little bit of pink into it. We cut these a little well done because that's what we wanted to. We got a burger down, boys and girls. These are bad boys, are big, ain't they? Let's taste this thing up, see what it tastes like. Y'all ready? I'm ready. They're big. They ain't lying about that. But that sausage, the hamburger meat, the tomatoes and the vegetables, man, it just takes this thing here and just makes it a whole nother level. It is good.
Probably in the future you might want to do this, do it one patty. This double patty might be too much of a good thing. I gotta quit eating this thing. I'm gonna start and eat lunch. So today's my birthday, so thank y'all for watching my videos. Greatly appreciate it. This one will go out a little bit after my birthday, probably next week or so. So we greatly appreciate you watching our videos. That being stated, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. If you like our videos, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on down at the bottom. With that being stated, we're ready to say the blessing, go inside and eat. First, we gotta let Dolly try it. Dolly, are you ready? Dolly, you ready? You ready for this? All right, I'm gonna do a piece of sausage right here. You ready? All right, let's get you a piece of this hamburger right here. It's big, ain't it? Well, Dolly liked it. I reckon Dolly like it. You will too. So let's say the blessing. Let's go eat some lunch. Lord, bless food by receiving. In His name pray. Amen. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time. Hey, Dolly. Ready to go inside and eat lunch? Michelle will love this thing right here. This is going to be so good. Good Lord. This thing's so messy. Here's sausage. God, this thing's messy. This damn thing's good. Oh, y'all still here? Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Let's eat some lunch. See you in the kitchen.